Job Sikhala has been found not guilty of obstruction of justice. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Job Sikhala went to prison because he was accused of inciting public violence, and it was soon after the death of Mo Blessing Ali, who was killed in cold blood. So now the police are going to keep him in custody due to the fact that they've added more allegations against him, which were not in the initial case. The new allegations were not stated. He is just a political prisoner. So we will keep you updated on the new charges that are against him. He, however, looked like he was in a good mood, and he has actually made friends with the wardens that were with him. The saddest thing was he was in chains. Is he a flight risk or what? Because he is coming to court every time, every now and then. But he was still treated as if he is a murderer or a flight risk. He was in chains.